Hello there. Welcome to the AB Automotive Engineering page. Today we're diving into a truly vital component of your vehicle, the brake master cylinder, and its accompanying brake fluid reservoir. Its safety hinges on the reliability of its braking system, and this part is absolutely central to that. As you watch along, we'll uncover exactly what this assembly is, how it meticulously works to bring your car to a safe stop, the recommended intervals for changing your brake fluid, and the telltale signs that indicate it might be time for attention. Let's start by understanding what we're looking at. On your screen right now, you're seeing the brake master cylinder assembly, the prominent white plastic component situated. Above is the brake fluid reservoir. This reservoir's primary role is to store the brake fluid, which is the lifeblood of your braking system. It's designed with a transparent or translucent material so you can easily monitor the fluid level. You'll often notice markings on the side indicating min and max levels, serving as a crucial visual guide. Maintaining the fluid within these parameters is essential for optimal brake performance. Now, let's explore how this ingenious system functions. The brake master cylinder is the heart of your hydraulic braking system. When you press the brake pedal, you're not directly engaging the brakes themselves. Instead, you're pushing a piston within the master cylinder. This piston, in turn, pressurizes the brake fluid. This pressurized fluid then travels through a network of brake lines, reaching the brake calipers or wheel cylinders at each wheel. These components then apply pressure to the brake pads or shoes, creating the friction needed to slow and stop your vehicle. It's a remarkable chain reaction, all initiated by your foot on the pedal. The brake fluid itself is a specialized hydraulic fluid. It's designed to withstand high temperatures and pressures without boiling or compressing. Over time, however, brake fluid can absorb moisture from the atmosphere. This absorption can lower its boiling point, making it more susceptible to boiling under heavy braking conditions, which can lead to a spongy brake pedal and reduced braking effectiveness. Furthermore, moisture can also contribute to corrosion within the braking system components. This is why regular replacement of brake fluid is so important. So, how often should you be thinking about changing your brake fluid? While manufacturers' recommendations can vary slightly depending on the vehicle and the type of brake fluid used, a general guideline is to have it flushed and replaced every 2 to 3 years, or approximately every 30,000 to 45,000 miles. Some manufacturers might suggest a shorter interval, especially for performance vehicles or those driven in extreme conditions. It's always best to consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the most precise recommendation. Think of it as a proactive maintenance step, much like changing your engine oil. That significantly contributes to the longevity and safety of your braking system. What are the signs that your brake master cylinder or its reservoir might be experiencing issues? One of the most common indicators is a brake pedal that feels spongy or goes down further than usual when you apply the brakes. This can be a sign of air in the brake lines, which can occur if the fluid level is too low or if there's a leak. Another symptom is a brake warning light illuminating on your dashboard. This light can indicate a variety of issues, including low brake fluid levels or a problem with the master cylinder itself. You might also notice a decrease in braking performance, meaning it takes longer to stop your vehicle. In some cases, you might even hear unusual noises when braking, such as grinding or squealing, although these can also be indicative of worn brake pads or rotors. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's crucial to have your braking system inspected by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. Ignoring these signs can compromise your safety and potentially lead to more extensive and costly repairs down the line. The master cylinder is a precision-engineered component, and any internal leaks or failures can directly impact its ability to generate the necessary hydraulic pressure. The brake fluid reservoir, while seemingly simple, plays a critical role in ensuring the master cylinder has a constant supply of fluid. If the reservoir is cracked or leaking, the fluid level will drop, leading to the issues we've discussed. It's also important to ensure the reservoir cap is properly sealed to prevent contamination and moisture ingress. Understanding these components and their maintenance needs empowers you to be a more informed and proactive car owner. By paying attention to the subtle cues your vehicle provides, you can ensure your brakes are always in optimal condition, offering you peace of mind on every journey. We hope this deep dive into the brake master cylinder and brake fluid reservoir has been both informative and helpful. The brake booster and master cylinder assembly. We'll be focusing on how to properly clean these components, specifically the brake booster and ABS module, to ensure they function optimally and last longer. When it comes to cleaning your ABS module, it's really important to remember one key thing. Never, ever use high-pressure air directly on it. This can cause serious damage. Instead, for any dust that's accumulated on the outside, use low-pressure air to gently clean away the dirt. Always remember to cover up any electrical sockets before you start. And when you're applying air, avoid directing it straight into the brake lines. Focus solely on cleaning the exterior surfaces. Taking these simple precautions will significantly extend the lifespan of your ABS module. Now let's move on to checking the elastic or rubber parts of your brake booster. These components play a vital role in maintaining the seal and proper function of the booster. Carefully inspect them for any signs of wear, cracking, or degradation. Ensuring these rubber parts are in good condition is essential for a reliable braking system. Taking these steps to maintain your brake booster and ABS module isn't just about keeping your car running. It's about ensuring your safety on the road. A well-maintained braking system provides peace of mind for every journey. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you keep your braking system in top shape. If you found this helpful, please consider following along for more automotive tips and tricks. Now that our brake booster, servo, and master cylinder assembly is complete, let's move on to the crucial final fitting checks. This is where we ensure everything is perfectly in place for optimal performance and your safety. First, let's confirm that the booster mounting bolts are securely tightened. Next, we'll verify that the master cylinder and booster are sitting upright and that the brake pedal feels just right. These steps are vital for a reliable braking system.